Hey guys, today we are going to see the fundamental and technical analysis of Indiabulls housing finance. I have picked this stock as I have seen some sort of bullish momentum with this housing finance industry. Please note that this is not a promotional video or a tips to buy this stock. This has been done only for the educational purposes. Now let's see about the company. The company's core business is to offer housing loan. One has to submit the proper loan application with the required documentation to get the loan to buy their new or old houses. They can also submit the application for the home renovations. Indiabulls Housing Loan offer loans to NRIs, MSMEs, and NBFCs for emergency credit line guaranteed scheme. Now let's do the fundamental analysis of this stock. In fundamental analysis, we will cover both advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the disadvantages. The company has generated poor cash flow from its core business. There is a decline in cash flow for the last 2 years. The company has delivered a poor sales growth of 1.63% over the last 5 years. And the company has also got highest debt. So we need to keep these points in mind before investing. Now let's see the biggest advantages of these stocks. Despite having strong disadvantages, you know what makes it attractive? Let's see that. Point 1. The current market price is less than its book value, where the current market price is 230 and the book value is 350. After the pandemic, the real estate has got booming up. Now the housing finance industry will get more customers and will be able to bring this industry as like pre-COVID levels. Point 3. Foreign institutional investors has increased their positions compared to the previous quarter. That is 33.61% in March and 33.65% in June, and it is continues to get increased. And domestic institutional investors has also increased their positions compared to the previous quarter. That is 12.74% to 12.88%. And moving ahead, India's big bull and so-called the Warren Buffett of India, Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has also invested in this stock. And company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 44.74%. Now let's see the technical analysis of the stock. The technical analysis says about the mindset of the traders, whether they are bullish or bearish. Bullish means positive and bearish means negative. Let's get into that. Okay, so let me clear my analysis. Okay, let me come from the beginning. Okay, yes, now it looks pretty good. Okay, so what I have done now is I have opened tradingview.com. In that I have chosen Indiabulls Housing Finance. I have chosen an option of monthly candles so that I can see the complete frame of how the Indiabulls Housing Finance has been moving over the time. And you should all know one thing, that the technical analysis represents the mindset of an investor and also the trader. When the traders are being bullish or the investors are being bullish, the market it goes high, and if they are being bearish, the market will go down. At the time, it has fallen down like anything, and I could see it is staying in the lowest possible level. And I feel it has been undervalued, and there is a chance that it can give a huge breakout in the upcoming days. And I could see that it has been listed in the market during the year July 2017, and till that year 2019, 2018, for the period of 5 years, it has been a golden era. Then I could see a steep fall till the year March, April, May 2020. There has been a tremendous fall, and the fall is like almost 91.82% from this place to this place. And now let's do the real technical analysis. I could see the chart is continuously trading a trend line over here. Let me draw the line here. So this line is called support line, where it is getting continuously taking a support and not breaking the support. It is deeply going high. And from which day? From April 2020 to till date, it is still continuously growing high and high. And also, let's see this chart also. It is taking a resistance over here. It is feeling a resistance. When it touches here, the market is not able to move beyond this point, and when it touches here, the market is not able to move beyond below the trend line. So it is traveling between the two trend lines, which is forming a bullish triangle. So what will happen in future days is, if it breaks the upper triangle, it will give a breakout, a very good potential breakout in the upcoming days. And I would expect how much it could travel is, this is a fall that has happened in a recent phase, and I believe it has got a potential to grow like 569 points in the next 2 to 3 years. I don't want to say like 2 to 3 years, but it has a great chances of hitting this target of 569 in the upcoming days. So wait for the time to break this trend line, or you can invest here, or even if it falls down, you can just reinvest once again so that you can accumulate the stocks. Let's see the weekly candle and have a closer look of this chart. As I told you in the last conversation, see, it is taking a support here once, twice, thrice, and 4 times it has taken the support. And even if it is taking support once again here, it has got a potential chance of breaking this upper trend line and move forward and hits a target of 560. And let me show you the daily chart also. This is a daily chart which represents how the chart is being moved, how the mindset of the readers is being on a daily basis. Okay, I could see one more chance here. See, in a daily chart, it has continuously hit the resistance of this level, and once the breakout has happened, it has moved like from here to here. The stock has given a return of 23.40% in a very shorter duration after the breakout. Okay, it is just in 9 days the stock has given 24% return after breaking the upper trend line, this upper trend line. And similarly, and there is a huge resistance over here that is coming over here, and if this trend line is being broken, and definitely I'm expecting a very strong bullish momentum going to happen in this stock. Okay, and please note that this is not a stock tip, or this is not a stock advisory thing. I am not a SEBI registered consultant. This is just for your learning and education purpose. This gives you a basic idea of how to do the technical analysis.
Guys, this is the analysis that we have done on this Indiabulls housing finance, and I would recommend you to do your own analysis on technically and also fundamentally. And if you take a decision of buying this stock, please don't invest all your money into the stock alone. You can invest at just 5 to 8%, that's it. Beyond that, please don't invest in it, because there are a lot of other plenty of stocks which are fundamentally and technically good to invest, and that can give you higher returns in the future. And at the same time, investing in stock market is a risky option, and if you want to invest today and expecting a result tomorrow, definitely it is not going to happen. You need to wait for a period of months, years, so that you can get a decent returns compared to the bank FDs. Please let me know in comments about the feedback of this video, and if you want me to do the analysis of the stocks that you want me to do, please let me know that.